I'm here at Tangimoana and I'm here to tell the children that they've won $25,000 in the Energising Young Minds competition. It's going to be really exciting. This is Timo, and he is the principal, teacher and everything here at Tangimoana.
It's good. They're just having their lunch now, so come on in.
Kia ora. What have you won? You won first prize.
I would like to get a new iPad.
More iPads and Chromebooks and stuff. Yeah. Oh, and a 3D printer.
The School Gen win means for us that we can actually have tools and access to technologies and things that the kids would never have been able to have before. The number one thing that the children are really keen on is actually a solar panel system and being part of the School Gen program. They were really keen. It wasn't all the fancy stuff that was their one priority, all the techie stuff. It was having a solar power system that would enable them to learn about energy and sustainability. This win, as we were saying before, we can focus on technology and science in such a huge way and have the opportunity to make the school, you know, a tech-savvy place. I've seen through this whole School Gen process the community really getting in behind the school like it never has before, and I'm really proud to be the principal of the school.